Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to replace the battery on a Chevy Equinox. First, gather your tools, including a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and safety glasses. Always wear gloves and eye protection. Make sure your Equinox is turned completely off and the parking brake is firmly set. The battery is usually located under the hood on the passenger side. Begin by using your wrench to loosen and remove the negative battery cable first. This crucial step prevents accidental electrical issues. With the negative cable safely disconnected, proceed to loosen and remove the positive battery cable. Remember, always remove the negative first, then the positive. Next, you will need to unfasten the battery hold-down clamp. This clamp secures the battery in place, so ensure it is completely loose before attempting removal. Carefully lift the old battery straight up and out of the battery tray. Be aware that car batteries are quite heavy, often weighing around 30 to 40 pounds, so lift with care. Before placing the new battery, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the terminal connectors. Use a wire brush and a battery terminal cleaner to remove any corrosion or dirt. A clean connection ensures optimal performance. Now, carefully lower the new battery into the cleaned battery tray, ensuring it sits flat and securely. Reattach and tighten the battery hold-down clamp firmly. This prevents the battery from shifting while driving, which is important for safety and connection integrity. Now it's time to connect the new battery. Remember the reverse order. Connect the positive cable first, then the negative cable. Tighten both terminals securely with your 10mm wrench. Give them a gentle tug to ensure they are firm and won't vibrate loose. Double-check that no tools or metal objects are left near the battery terminals. Finally, remember to properly dispose of your old battery at an automotive parts store or a certified recycling center. This helps protect our environment.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.